Good day everyone, I am Justin Maria from BS Crime Tracy. I am now reciting the 10 commandments of safety driving as driver. Number 1. I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. Number 2. I will not pass without care on curbs nor hills, nor the view is unseen by my eyes. Number 3. I will not violate speed laws nor exceed speed limits. Number 4. I do not disobey highway signs and traffic signals. Number 5. I do not make a twist without signaling my intentions. Number 6. I do not accelerate my speed at school, playgrounds, hospital, and other dangerous zones. Number 7. I will not be careless when crossing at intersections. Number 8. I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. Number 9. I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. Number 10. I'll be courteous and respectful of the rights of every drivers and pedestrians. For the continuation, I will now reciting the 10 commandments of the road safety from the travelers. Number 1. Thou shalt not gaze at thy phone. Number 2. Thou shalt not throw trash at the window. Number 3. Thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. Number 4. Thou shalt not take any chances. Number 5. Thou shalt buckle up thy kids. Number 6. Thou shalt not drive on thy bride. Number 7. Thou shalt not drive with one light or with faculty lights. Number 8. Thou shalt adhere to the speed limit. Number 9. Thou shalt keep thy distance. Number 10. Thou shalt practice patience. Last is the 10 commandments of traffic. Number 1. Keep right. Number 2. Observe road courtesy. Number 3. Prohibited parking. Number 4. If in doubt, do not overtake. Number 5. The bus stop rule. Lining up the bus stop zone. Number 6. Rule to prevent or untangle traffic jams. Number 7. Observe traffic management measures. Number 8. The philosophy of Pinoy driver. First come, first serves. Vehicle. Number 9. On pedestrians. Number 10. Remember the intentional driving safety reminders. And that's all for my video. Thank you for watching. Like this video. Thank you.